list item. Basically, this one is just takes for you one item from that list according to the index you say. So if I link my list and again create something like for example. Now, if I just link this list item to the preview, it will tell me that I have only 1 point because it took for me only a point from that list. If I create a number slider like 4 and plug it to the index, because it's creating a new list or a new item here, because I'm choosing only one item. It's creating a new item. The new item will always be 0. That's why it's showing that it is 0, but it's like the fourth one from the previous list. It's just an indicator like which one I use. So if I can drag to 0, this you use a lot because a lot of times you have like too many things or objects you're dealing with, and you have like you want to deal with something, like maybe the first one or the last one or someone in the middle, like one object of them. So you just plug this one, list item, plug your list here, and continue working with only one. Basically, these are like most used for, but we will continue with the others later. Let's delete these ones, all of them, like the lists and the sliders.